Introducing our national officials of this match. First referee, Mr. Ryan Vincent Corpus. Second referee, Ms. Joy De Imus. Now let's call on the starting lineup first for the Judiciary Justice Servers. At jersey number 2, Aleli Boras. Wearing jersey number 5, Jamila Angeles. And number 6, Lerma Tubog. Wearing jersey number 10, Dada Yuboko. And number 11, Arnie Pesebre. Jersey number 15, Jen Verhel. Her starting libero is number 9, Shio Castillo. Head coach is Mr. Arnaldo Dino. Now let's call in the starters for the DFA emissaries. Let's start with our team captain at number 16, Michelle Oliveira. Wearing jersey number 8, Alex Tangayan. At number 9, DP Pabalinas. At 11, Jas Dairo. Jersey number 14, Yvonne Reyes. At number 17, Joy Manabon. Starting libero is number 3, Jane De Leon. Head coach is Mr. Ralph Calasi. This is match number 31 of the preliminary rounds between Judiciary Justice Servers and the DFA emissaries. Good luck to both teams.
Magandang araw, nagbabalik po tayo dito sa Paco Arena. First game of our triple header, yan po ang lineup ng inyong Justice Servers looking to get their first win after 3 games, 3 straight losses. Samantalang itong DFA, it's been a really rough start for Season 2. They're looking for their first win. They have won sets, but they have not won a match. So, malaking bagay din yun na they were able to steal a set in their first round meeting kontra sa Justice Servers. Ngayon, kailangan na lang nila steal maybe an extra set or if they're fortunate enough, makasungkit ng 3 set, Rina.
That's actually their goal. Nakausap ko kanina si Coach Ralph, no? Sabi nila kung the last time around, 4 sets, baka naman pwede daw 5 sets ngayon para maipakita yung galing din ng DFA, di ba? Kasi he believes na marami talaga yung mga players nila na really talented, no? It's more of the exposure. Medyo kulang pa kasi ang DFA when it comes to the exposure and the experience.
And right now, isa sa mga sinabi ni Coach Calasin in the first round was yung reception was an issue para sa kanyang koponan, and it continues to be one. Nahirapan sila magpumasa na naman doon, resulting in an easy point. But a service fault para sa DFA emissaries.
So early errors para dito sa koponan ni Coach Ralph.
Judiciary maybe may pag-asa pa, no, if they sweep because they have 2 wins, but they still have 7 more games to play.
Actually, si Coach kanina, Coach Dino was saying they're back to 0. Gusto niya yung ganong mentality for the girls. No? Wag na nilang isipin yung what happened in the first round kasi nandun sila sa second bottom of the team standings. But right now, they have to focus on the second round, second chance for them to be able to do better on the first round, di ba? Yung performance nila.
Because if they makakuha sila ng winning streak dito, we'll confirm with our Commissioner Ronnie Magsanok later, no? Kung ano yung magic number to make it to the top 4. Because at 2 and 5, mababa nga sila sa standings, but if they can rack up a series of wins dito sa second round, baka may pag-asa sila at the number 4, number 3 spot sa ating standings eh. Who knows?
Oo, pero kasi medyo malayo na rin yung nandun sa ating, first 3 actually medyo malayo na. Pero yung pagdating sa number 4, baka pwede pa, diba?
Let's see, battle at the net. Nanalo si Pesebre, chance ball, ibinato ni Dairo, papunta sa Justice Servers. Pesebre catches the line.
A soft attack coming from Alarni Pesebre, a good one.
Well, kung may kailangan bantayan ang depensa ng emissaries, Alarni Pesebre, binanggit natin kanina, 34 points in that round number 1 meeting. So kailangan nilang mapigilan yung pagpuntos ni Pesebre. Another underhand pass, so chance ball. Pero hindi maganda yung pasahan dito. Yuboko, overhead toss. So it's a chance ball naman para sa emissaries. Dairo Bumuelo, blocked by Pesebre. And that pass going outside. 4-point run to, Rina, para sa Justice Servers.
At ang goal nila dito sana is makadikit sa umpisa pa lamang, no? But this has to be a challenge para dun sa kupunan ng DFA right now.
Pagkatapos natin mag-1-all, tumatakbo na palayo itong Justice Servers. Yuboko, the pass. But yung palo into the net for Angeles.
A nice hit there by Angeles with a little help from the net also. Let's watch this.
A lucky break there. Angeles, her first point. So tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-arangkada ng Justice Servers. 5 straight points ang kanilang naipuntos na. Pesebre, nice dig. Coming from Honorable Mendoza Villapando.
Good save.
Battle at the net. Tyron na ipabalik ni Pesebre. Chance ball. Yuboko. Medyo na late lang yung pag-dig doon ni Pabalinas.
But good eye also on Yuboko, no? Hindi niya na inantay yung third ball.
Oo. Coach Ralph Calasin will call a timeout after this 6 straight points scored by Judiciary.
Ayaw nyo ayusin yung pasa nyo. Paano kayo makakatake? Tapos, ang gulo nyo sa loob. Ang gulo-gulo nyo. Ayaw nyo ayusin. Mag-relax lang kasi kayo. Huwag kayong magmamadali. Ba't ba minamadali nyo yung laro? Ang aga-aga pa. Kayo tuloy yung naghahabol, kayo pa yung nagmamadali. Dapat mas naghahabol kayo, mas relax kayo. Kasi the more na nararattle kayo, the more na hindi nyo ma-execute yung dapat yung gawin. Diba? Ikaw naman, ikaw dapat dyan eh.
Sige coach, papaway ako.
Wala.
DFA! Handang lang, Jeffrey.
Talaga. Siguro na-excite din ng DFA dito, no? On their first appearance here dito sa ating second round. They have that big desire to be able to win a match here.
Right now, hindi ka makakakuha ng set if you can't get a good receive.
Aleli Boras with the 6 points on their first meeting here against the DFA.
And first ace yan ni Boras as we go courtside to Ira Pablo. Ira?
Tatalang panalo itong DFA emissaries. Ang hindi nawawala sa kanila ay yung kanilang optimism at yung kanilang positivity towards the game. Ang basehan lang daw ng DFA ay yung kanilang sarili, and for them, they can see na mas gumaganda yung mga games sila, at para sa kanila, mas nilalaban nila yung kanilang mga recent games. Kaya they still remain very hopeful na makakakuha sila ng kanilang unang panalo ngayong araw against the Judiciary. Balik sa inyo.
But Ira, you love the positivity, optimism, pero right now, it's not translating on the floor. After the timeout ni Coach Ralph Calasin, still a 4-point run para sa Judiciary. Magsumbol, papasok for Tyron. A few others, Abarientos papasok din. As this is now a 9-1 run. Actually, 9 straight points para scored by the Justice Servers, Rina.
Oh, you wanted, of course, the likes of Magsumbol and Abarientos later in will go in for the DFA, no? As they set a tone para dito sa kupunan ng DFA, no? And hopefully nga, ma-motivate itong kanilang mga players to be able to have a score here.
Wala pang attack point, ladies and gentlemen, itong emissaries. Yung one and only point nila galing sa error yon ng Justice Servers. Magsumbol. Great dig. Chance ball. Pabalinas kinuha. Magsumbol on a 1-2 play. It's on the line. Finally, the first attack point para sa emissaries.
That's what they needed right now. Kat Magsumbol, who will also help boost the team of the morale of the DFA right there. You also have Abarientos coming in for the DFA.
So, 4 of the 10 points ng Justice Servers, Rina, galing sa errors yun ng DFA. And then, the other points from Pesebre, Boras, Angeles, nakapuntos na along with Yuboko.
Kasi hindi rin maganda yung reception na pinakita talaga dito ng DFA, no? And hopefully, they will be able to adjust, to relax themselves and focus harder.
Pesebre, got it. Pesebre with 4. And binabanggit natin nung simula na if there's one player na ayaw mong mag-init if you're the emissaries, si Pesebre yun. Dahil pag nagsimula yan, baka hindi na tumigil yan.
Oo, that's right. Pag inano mo si Pesebre, talagang tuloy-tuloy itong energy ni Pesebre, di ba?
Nice serve. Magsumbol. Yes! So Magsumbol has all of the attack points ng emissaries.
And Magsumbol's target is always on the back. Something that the judiciary would want to also kailangan nilang bantayan yung area yun. Kasi yun lang yung area for the second time around.
Oo. Short pass, Yuboko to Angeles. Nangat ni De Leon. Magsumbol ulit with the left hand. Yes, Magsumbol, very aggressive off the bench here in set number 1.
Nice one. Parang tinakbuhan lang ng konti, tapos tinip lang niya yung bola to make it through and cross that court.
This is now a 3-1 run para sa emissaries. Good up para kay Abarrientos. Olavere. Inangat ni Lerma Tubog. Pesebre. Much better defense na ikita natin ngayon mula dito sa emissaries. Yuboko. Tubog. Olavere ulit, papalo. Not a good pass from Tubog. Pesebre itatawid ang bola. Magsumbol, Tubog ulit, short pass, Yuboko, Pesebre, pamatay. Great dig galing kay De Leon para sa emissaries. Longest rally, Angeles with a tip, kapos. And aangat ang kumpiyansa mo dito if you're DFA. After that long rally and tinding balikan, they win the point.
That's right. At sabi mo nga kanina, better defense, no? They're communicating also on the inside now. We can hear them na nagsisigawan sila, mine, or kung tinatawag nila si Kat kanina kung sa kanya yung bola. So it's a good effort para dito sa kupunan. But that one, nakita naman ng judiciary yung hold or gap right there.
Pesebre, that's gonna be her 5th point. Doon matatapos yung at least a 3-point run para sa emissaries. Olavere, tough pass. And Abarrientos, hindi maitatawid ang bola. So 2 straight points naman ang sagot dito ng Justice Servers.
Hindi na itaas yung bola, binalik, patalikod yung bola.
Walong puntos na kalamangan. Gawin mo ng sa double kay Pabalinas. So gawin mo ng siyam para sa Justice Servers.
Kala ni Pabalinas kasi lusot na yun dun sa net But it was still on the side of the DFA.
So after mag-score sila Coach Ralph Clase ng a few points, sinagot naman sila ng run nito ng Justice Servers. Here's a chance ball. And then ang pasa ni Vergel. Tubog. Aatake. Abarrientos inangat. Pabalinas passes. Olavere. Wait a minute. Tumawid si Pabalinas sa foot fault.
Yeah, kitang-kita yung kanyang paa, no? Nag-trespassing dun sa court ng judiciary.
Kasi yung pasa dikit na dikit sa net So yun.
Madudulas talaga siya doon.
Dalawang paa na pala yung tumawid doon. So pinakamalaking kalamangan to ng Justice Servers. They're up by 10. Magsumbol. Reyes. Yuboko. Oh, overpass! Almost a great save. That's gonna be 4 touches para kay Olavere.
Nawala na sila dun sa position nila on that end, no? Na-rattle din sila on that sequence.
And grabe naman tong sagot ulit ng Justice Servers. Rina, a big run. 11-point lead na as we check in with Ira Pablo.
Sobrang dedicated nitong si Dada Yuboko sa kanyang team that she already employed herself in judiciary. So last year, she was working for a membership grocery company dito sa Pilipinas. And she was encouraged by her teammates na sumali na dito sa judiciary. And right now, she is already employed. She is under the records division para sa judiciary. And she has to serve for 1 year para mailista na daw siya as a regular employee for the next season. And hopefully, this will open up another slot for an import para sa Justice Servers. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Good report as Lerma Tubog knocks it in. So, wala na nga siya sa listahan ng import, no? Si Dada Yuboko. He's a regular employee na. So, yun lang. Lalakas itong judiciary. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ni Ira, magbubukas sila ng isang slot for an import.
Yan ang gusto ni Attorney Tali, yung team talaga, yung mas marami sa kanila. At saka nakita na rin natin to over the years, no? There are some import players na talagang kapag magaling, kapag not only here no as a player but also dun sa kanilang mga opisina, they would also hire that player. So win-win din para dun sa mga import nila,
that's right.
diba? Oo. Si Atty. Tally talagang yan ang gusto niya. Yung marami din silang import no para mas maging competitive din yung kanilang kupunan.
That's right. Because
But you also have to say na maganda rin yung pinapakita ng mga regular players din nila, diba? Like sila Boras, diba? One of the regular players din na okay din yung maglaro para sa kanilang kupunan.
kahit si Verhel was a really good setter last season, siya yung starting setter para sa Justice Servers. Ito si Yuboko, who was a part of report kanina. Pagsumbol, hits it and sends it wide. So 12 ang kalamangan dito ng Justice Servers.
Nahihirapan din ang DFA when it comes to setting the ball, no? Para makakaroon sila ng mga atake.
Timeout for Coach Ralph Calasin, yung kanilang last timeout to. Let's listen in.
Ano bang magulo? Anong magulo? Ba't parang gulo-gulo nyo? Ang ayos-ayos naman ang ensayo nyo kahapon. Lahat naman ng posisyon, inikutan natin. Nangyari sa inyo, kinakabahan pa rin kayo na pang 8 game nyo na to first round? Diba? Wala na may spectacular sa ginagawa ng kalaban nyo eh. Puro error nyo. Puro error nyo. Puntos nila, puro error nyo. Double digit na yung error nyo na puntos nila. Hindi nyo napapansin yun. Okay lang naman kung atake nila pumapatay. Eh hindi, error nyo eh. 19-7. Mag-isip din kayo.
Kapit tayo, walang bibitaw. DFA!
Well, very disappointed si Coach Calasin. Although 8 pa lang naman, siguro pinaparamdam niya lang yung weight, yung gravity ng situation. Kaya sinabi niya baka double digits na yung errors niyo na napamigay yung puntos kila Alarni Pesebre at Judiciary.
And tama rin no, na hindi pa dito yung parang nothing extraordinary dun sa mga laro ng Judiciary. Hindi pa ganun kalakas yung mga atake nila, yung mga runs nila, yung mga plays nila. Hindi pa mabilis dito. And they could have taken good advantage of that.
Pabalinas, Reyes. Attorney Inting is on the floor. There she is. And balikan natin yung sinabi mo kanina, Rina, no, about the dedication, like yung mga mothers dito. And sabi ni Coach Calasin, they were practicing yesterday. So this weekend, really, they're on the court. They're taking time away from their families to practice. And now to be here to play. Just dedication for the sport, para sa kanila ahensya, and for the beneficiaries as well.
Of course, sabi nila kapag mothers daw kasi magaling daw yan mag-multitask. Oo. So marami talaga silang ginagawa, di ba? Siyempre yung pagiging mother nila, dun sa mga pamilya nila, yung trabaho nila, iniisip din nila. But this sport is some sort of a rest or a me time for these ladies, for these mothers out there, no? Parang gusto nila mag-relax, they would play volleyball. Yung ibang mga mothers natin, ganun yung mentality nila. And I'm sure kasama din nila iba yung mga families nila dito para dito na rin sila mag-celebrate after this one.
May mga kids naman tayo nakikita eh. That's service on the line. Pinabayaan yung magsumbol pero it drops on the outer edge ng line. Lerma Tubog with an ace. Nagang everything this first set going the way of the Justice Servers. Not a good pass there. Si Pabalinas, kanina pa takbo ng takbo, nahihirapan kasi siya sa mga pasa.
Oo.
Attorney
Hindi
Inting.
makaset ng maayos din kanilang koponan.
Reyes with a nice hit, but a good dig. Coming from Castillo. Yuboko, Sinet. Pesebre, tinawid ang bola, magsumbol, picks it up. Pabalinas, Reyes. Nice tip! Medyo na late si Attorney Inting doon sa paghabol.
Yeah, si Reyes was targeting Attorney Tally and Ting, no? Kasi nakita niya, medyo hirap tumalon si Attorney Tally and Ting. So, she directed that ball on that area of Attorney Tally and Ting.
So, Reyes serving. Yes, she's been very active. Ang dami niyang touches. Quick one-handed dig para kay Abarientos. Magsumbol, tinawid ang bola. Yuboko, back to Attorney Inting. Nice hit and gets a point.
Smart decision right there by Attorney Tally and Ting.
And yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Calasin, hindi naman ganun kalalakas yung mga
Oo.
palo. So yung depensa talaga, very questionable para sa emissaries. Parientos, itatawid ang bola. Pesebre looking for another point. Naitawid off the net. Easy over para kay Reyes. Chance again. This time si Angeles. De Leon pops it up. Pabalinas to Magsumbol. Got it!
Magsumbol with that straight attack of the ball from the DFA, no?
So that's only the 5th attack point para sa emissaries. Yung kalahati, the other half ng kanilang 10 points galing yung sa errors ng Justice servers. Yuboko. That hit going outside para kay Angeles.
The angle was too wide for Angeles right there. That's why the ball went outside also.
So 3 points away ang Justice servers from winning the opening set. Pabalinas sets it. They go to Magsumbol. Angeles ulit. Abarientos, inangat. Yeah, somebody has to get it. Oh, that's gonna be 4 touches. It's a tawag. Yeah, 4 touches. Sumabit yata kay ano din Pabalinas. Substitution here para kay Coach Calasin. Waga and Adviento papasok for the emissaries. Balik sa 12. Ang kalamangan ng Justice servers. Pabalinas and company ngayon probably looking ahead na to, no? Set number 2. Kasi it will be a very, very tough climb para sa kanila, down by 12 here in set number 1. And dahil sa pasa nila ni Waga, they're gonna be facing, this is 13 set points.
Bad reception coming from the DFA that time around.
Serve para kay Dolorosa, Catherine Dolorosa. And an ace! Pwede din yan. Actually, that's a legal move. Isisipain mo yung bola. Pero,
any part of the body will do.
that's right. Pero hindi umangat dun sa dig ni Lazaro using her feet. So that'll do it sa ating first set. A 25-11 win para kay Lerma Tubog and the rest of the Justice servers. Opening set ng ating first game of your triple header ngayong Mother's Day Sunday.
Still coming to you live here at the Paco Arena, and that first set was won by the Judiciary Justice servers, no, 25-11. It's because of the service aces ng kanilang kupunan and of course the unwanted errors on the side of the DFA. As you can see right there, halos half ng attack points ng Judiciary, no, nag-level up para sa kanilang kupunan. They were able to put up into points para sa kanilang kupunan, 10 as opposed to the 5 given by the DFA here. At yung kanilang 5 service aces, that's big also for the team right now. When it comes to the errors, halos pareho lang naman sila, but it's more on the DFA, no, having trouble with their reception and playing more organized has been a challenge para sa kanilang kupunan. For the Judiciary, it has been their import, Larny Pesebre, who has given up so much points for the team on that first set with 6 points already, 5 coming from the attack points at isa dun sa kanyang service ace. We also have Angeles and Boras contributing for the team, and also Dolorosa and Tubog para dito sa kupunan ng Judiciary. At dito naman sa DFA, it's only been Magsumbol who has given 4 attack points para dito sa kupunan ng DFA. So we will see if the DFA can finally adjust dito sa ating second set, if they will be able to play more organized, no? With a little help, of course, from Magsumbol and Abarientos for the DFA.
So let's see kung may adjustments gagawin dito ang emissaries as Dada Yuboko at ang Justice Servers with a solid start sa kanilang second meeting. Season 2 ng UVL. Santa Maria on the floor para sa emissaries to start off set number 2. Ito Santa Maria, passes. Nice hit to get it across para kay Tangayan. Pabalinas. Magsumbol. Blocked by Pesebre. Tangayan with coverage. Tangayan gets it again. Good start. Long rally. And De Leon, hindi na iangat yung bola. And si Boras will get the first point of set number 2.
Maganda na yung floor defense ng kupunan ng DFA. Nagkulang lang sila sa pagsalo ng bola there.
So Aleli Boras with 2 points already. Ito, medyo dikit sa net. Another block by Pesebre. Yuboko saves it. Pesebre tips it. Santa Maria nandoon. Another good defensive play by both teams. Para mapahaba ang rally na to. Pabalinas. Magsumbol tips. Vergel playing good defense on the floor. Abarientos inangat. Santa Maria from the back row. Very good exchange. But that short tip para kay Pesebre is the second point para sa Justice Servers set number 2.
Yes, good set there by Dada Yuboko, no? Just in time. May time for Pesebre to think, no, kung saan niya dadalhin yung bola.
Ito na naman, nagsisimulang gumawa ng kalamangan at cushion ang Justice Servers. Emissaries finally get a side out for their first point in set number 2. Ganda nung pasok ni Tangayan. I mean, she's been very aggressive. Ano? Ang dami niyang hits and really strong hits as well. So good job by Coach Calasin to shuffle the players around. Pero Pesebre finding the angle.
Tsaka dito naman, must play all talaga sila. So I think it's a good opportunity na ito yung kanilang mga players for this second set. So titingnan natin kung with this kind of second set of players ay makakadikit na dito ang DFA, di ba?
Santa Maria, inangat, magsumbol into the net.
Hindi lang maganda yung timing ni Magsumbol right there. Nauna yung kanyang, nauna yung bola dun sa kanyang talon.
First error yon para sa emissaries here in set number 2. Pero they're down by 3. Santa Maria itinawid underhand. Chance ball. Jump set para kay Dada Yuboko. Angeles with a hit. Magsumbol. Vergel talaga. Ang ganda dumipensa ni Vergel. Moves very well. Leo Matubog with the spike. Pabalinas inangat. Magsumbol. Short. Angeles. Nice save. Pesebre. Two-handed push all the way to the back. De Leon inangat. Another good exchange by both teams. Very exciting rally. Pesebre. And this one is not coming back. Yun ang masakit for emissaries. No? Ang dami nilang magandang balik. But in the end, ngayon at least, itong Justice Servers nakakakuha ng puntos.
Hindi pa rin nila talaga kayang ma-save yung bola right there, no? It needs a little help from all the players, no?
Vergel, she's been playing good defense. Maganda yung serve doon. Pabalinas. And this time, Tangayan into the net. A rare miscue para kay Tangayan. Slowly but surely, hindi lang natin napapasin kasi maganda yung palitan ng the rallies, pero humihiwalay na naman ang Justice Servers Arena up by 5 already. This is that was a 5-point run bago nag-service error si Vergel.
Medyo masakit ito para sa kupunan ng DFA, no? Yung makita mo yung ganitong kalaking kalamangan nila. And ang pinagdadasal nila is sana mas marami ding errors ang judiciary para makahabol din sila, no?
Yun. Isa na. Service fault para kay Tangayan. So, Judiciary getting an easy point. Binalik din. Oh, service ace.
Nobody moved there on the side of the DFA. Hindi rin sila nag-communicate that time around. Tumingin lang sila sa bola.
Let's go courtside para sa report ni Ira Pablo.
Once again, happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay na nanonood sa atin ngayong araw. At kanina nga pinag-usapan nyo kung gaano kalaki ang mga sakripisyong ginagawa ng ating mga nanay. At isa sa mga yan ay nandito ngayon sa UVL na si Jazz Dario. Nakwento niya sa akin na right after graduating from college in AMA ay nag-pro pa to itong si Jazz Dario. Naging teammate pa daw niya dyan, si Dindin Santiago. But it only lasted for 8 months because she already got pregnant with her eldest. At yung eldest na yan, kasama niya ngayong araw. Walang ibang nagbabantay dito sa kanyang anak at habang nag-change court kanina, bit pa ni Jazz itong kanyang anak at pinaupo niya dito sa kabilang side ng court. Sabi niya, upo ka muna dito, binigyan niya ng tubig, maglalaro muna si Mommy, behave ka lang dyan. Ganyan, mag-multitask ang mga nanay dito sa UVL. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. That's a true superwoman right there.
Yes, that's so true. Yung mga nanay na bit-bit talaga sa trabaho, yung mga anak nila. Kasi 'di ba minsan ang hirap din na ng kasama sa bahay or even the daddies have work too. So sila na lang yung magsa-sacrifice para isama yung mga anak nila sa trabaho nila, 'di ba? I'm sure ikaw din ng bata ka, bit-bit ka na nanay mo one time or another sa kanyang trabaho.
More than one time or another, for sure. Ilang beses akong palaging nasa desk.
Ayun.
Watching mom work. Kaya really hats off to all the moms. Happy Mother's Day sa inyo lahat. Thanks for all that you do to the family. Not just the children, pati sa mga daddy. Making the home or the house feel like a home. Santa Maria with a hit. Oh, another dig by Verhel. Playing really good defense on the floor. And Boras will reward her effort with a side out.
Boras, no? Just the right amount of force to be able to bring that ball to that attack area, di ba?
Pero nagsimula, hindi magagawa ni Boras yun kung hindi na dig ni Verhel. What a nice play by Verhel defensively. Kung wala si Verhel, there may have been a few points na na-score na dito.
Ang ganda kasi ng ano niya, parang even though she's small, she moves really fast around the court. So nakahabol niya talaga yung mga ball ang binibigay sa kanya ng DFA, di ba? Ilang dig niya na yun na maganda na, di ba?
Pwede nga libero yan eh.
Oo.
Hasler Matubog with an attack fault. Pabalinas serving kalahati ang pinuntos na dito. Mahigit sa kalahati ang pinuntos na ng Judiciary kontra sa DFA. Pabalinas. Oh, that's gonna be way outside para kay Olavere.
Too strong for Olavere right there, no? Si Olavere had a good show the last time around. She contributed 4 points para dito sa koponan ng DFA.
Yuboko. That serve is outside para kay Dada Yuboko.
Errors giving easy points para dito sa koponan ng DFA, who's 5 points behind the Judiciary Justice servers now.
Short pass para kay Verhel. Back-to-back attack errors para kay Lerman Tubog.
Hindi lang niya na-timingan yung bola para makatalon siya.
Galing din kasi sa likod niya yung pasa eh. It's always hard if the ball comes from behind you.
Kasi titingin pa siya dun sa kanyang gilid.
Oo. Underhand serve para kay Olavere. Boras! Outside. So dumidikit itong emissaries because of the errors ng Justice servers.
It was no angle para dito kay Aleli Boras, no? That ball was too straight. It went out.
From down 5 points, Rina, itong emissaries, tatlo na lang hinahabol. Tubog finally gets it over the net. Pabalinas. Tangayan with a powerful hit. Inangat ni Pesebre. Boras. Magsumbol, short pass, Pabalinas. Back to Magsumbol from the back row. And through the fingertips ng libero na si Castillo for another point para sa emissaries. At tatawag na ng timeout dito si Coach Arnaldo Dino as his 5-point lead is now down to 2.
Makinig nga kayo. Nakita nyo pagka sinusunod mo. Oh, kung nandun ka ulit kanina,
No, wag mo na paabutin dito sa may bandang antena. Yung mga ganyan kalayo, okay lang yan. Mas mahahabol niya. Okay? Or ang ibibigay mo sa kanya, pag maganda receive, humingi ka ng seat. Pero,
ito ilagay na agad dito sa dulo para ito nandito sa open na dapat. Nasa gitna ako. Para sa, ano lang. Papalo? Hindi, yung pwesto agad natin.
Receiving? Hindi kailangan yung ma-receive kasi si Binasa kukuha ng gitna. Kuha mo tayong receive. Saka tayo mag-ikot.
Pwede naman yun. Pwede yun. Pagka ito, nandito na agad ang pwesto sa... Papalo?
No, sige, pwede. Ikot natin.
Pag na-receive natin, nandito ka ng open.
Tapos ikutan mo na lang agad.
Pag paano
sige.
adjustan natin, huwag natin ni error ha. Layo pa natin, no? Bawi guys. Huwag tayo mag-relax. Huwag natin papormahin yung kalaban. Tara, through. Justice! Servers! Go guys!
Nice to hear the voice of Mitch Alcancia, who plays as sometimes a playing coach pag wala si Coach Dino. Ayun nga, bawi tayo, wag nating pahabulin because from up or from down by 5 points, nawala na yung kalamangan nila. Alarni Persebre, it's only a 2-point lead now, hinahabol ng Emissaries. Yuboko to Boras. A nice dig by Magsumbol mula sa likod. Almost an easy point there para sa Judiciary. And Lerma Tubog, speaking of easy points, another error para kay Lerma Tubog.
Ang ganda na sana yung idea ni Lerma Tubog, no? She wants to attack just on the front row, dun sa likod ng blockers ng DFA, kaya lang kinulang siya dun sa talon niya.
Yung 5-point lead nila, isa na lang para sa Judiciary. Pesebre, nice dig para kay Barrientos, Magsumbol, inangat. Santa Maria will send it across. Yuboko, 1-2 play! Nice job by Yuboko. Sabi ni Dada, kung mag-error lang kayo, ako na lang ang pupuntos.
Kanina ginawa na rin yun ni Dada Yuboko. Hindi niya na tinantay yung ibibigay pa niya yung third ball, no, doon sa attackers niya. Nakita niya kasi sobrang wide nung gap doon ng DFA. So, binalik niya agad yung bola.
So, balik sa dalawa. Ang kalabangan dito ng Justice Servers, Santa Maria with a very high pass. Tubog. Yuboko underhand to Pesebre. Nasa harap na si Pesebre. So that's gonna be a problem para sa Emissaries.
They have to maximize on this rotation para sa kupunan ng Judiciary kasi maganda nga that Pesebre, Vergel, and Boras are there in front.
And a rotation error pa para sa Emissaries. So patuloy ang pagpuntos ng easy points para sa Justice Servers.
At least dito medyo mababa na lang yung gap nila sa scores nila, no? Unlike kanina doon sa ating first set, napakalaki, no? This time around, 3 points na lang yung hinahabol dito ng DFA.
Actually,
it's 4. Yeah, 4.
Boras, outside. Ang daming errors ng Justice Servers here in set number 2, Rina, no?
Oo, especially dito kay Aleli Boras, no? On and off kasi yung kanyang magaganda at saka yung mga too strong na attacks din. Hindi niya makontrol yung bola, but she knows where to bring that ball.
Santa Maria with a nice serve. Pesebre, better pass. Pesebre. Cut Magsumbol. Nakaposisyon na siya pero ayaw niya ng Yumoko. So she tried to kick it up. Pero mahirap. Pag paa kasi ginamit mo, you will not have as much control.
Parang nahirapan na kasi siyang tumakbo dun sa bola. Alam lang niya yung paa niya kaya pang abutin ng bola.
So this is now a 4-point run by Justice Servers. Pero finally a side out from Kat Magsumbol and the Emissaries.
Good idea right there from Kat Magsumbol to bring the ball diagonally para dito sa Judiciary.
I like what you said kanina, Rina. This is a much better set para sa Emissaries. Pagkatapos nilang matalo ng 14, ngayon, 3 lang hinahabol nila dito.
Mapapansin mo kasi mas maganda na rin yung energy nila compared to the first set, no? Na parang ang tamlay nila during the first set, di masyadong nagra-run for the ball. Ngayon talagang they would run for the ball and there's also communication. But right there, parang they didn't run for the ball. They just stared at the ball.
Dada Yuboko again. Dati pa to nung season 1, ginagawa niya na mahilig si Dada Yuboko dyan . Let's go courtside and check in with Ira Pablo.
Sana hindi magalit sa akin si Alarni Persebre dahil mababanggit ko yung kanyang age. Pero nakwento sa akin itong si Alarni that prior to the UVL ay akala daw niya hindi na siya makakapaglaro ng volleyball given her age at 43 years old already. Pero after the first season ay nagtapos pa siya bilang top scorer ng UVL. That's why she's very thankful for the UVL dahil nabigyan daw ng platform yung women that are middle-aged like her to still shine and excel dito sa UVL. Let's listen into the timeout.
Si Alex,
Abutin mo na abutin. Di baling ang target mo gitna. Di baling gumano ng bola, okay lang yun. No? Kaysa yun.
kahit nasa long ball ka, kung binabasa mo yung galaw ng setter, ang napakabagal ng bola, hindi mabilis. Di ba galing dito yung bola sa taas? Buti sana kung galing sa taas eh. Power tip eh, hindi naman eh. Galing sa taas. Di ba pattern bago ka gagalaw? Oh, hindi pa nasisit ah. Ba't nasa dulo ka?
So huling timeout na yan ni Coach Ralph Calasin. Samantala, for Coach Dino, may isa pang timeout ang Justice Servers, Verhel and company leading by 4, 16-12. And leading 1-0 after winning by 14 ang ating first set.
Ang ganda ng report din ni Ira kanina about Alarni Pesebre, no, na kahit middle age na nga siya, magaling pa rin siya. There's still the skills there. At sinasabi din sa akin na once you're a volleyball player, you're always a volleyball player. Kahit matanda ka, andun pa rin talaga yung skills mo.
It's like riding a bike nga daw, no?
Oo.
Your body knows what to do.
Oo.
Mantala, magsumbol with double contact, magsumbol, magpapahinga na. She's done plenty, 6 points, all from attacks. Si Dairo, who was the starter ng opening set, will check in for the first time ngayong set number 2.
Dairo contributed 3 points on their last game, no, against the Judiciary last April 7.
Pero right now, hindi pa nakakascore si Dairo and has 2 errors in the game. Speaking of Dairo, and there it is, first point para kay Dairo in the match.
Dairo targeting Verhel at the right time.
13 serving 17. Apat pa rin hinahabol ng emissaries. Nice serve by Tangayan. Angeles inangat ni Santa Maria. Pabalinas passes. Dairo again. Tubog with a great pass. Pesebre, yes!
Once again, a nice attack coming from Alarni Pesebre just near the line para dito sa kupunan ng DFA.
Ganda pa ng serve. Pesebre overpass. Lerma Tubog almost got the kill. De Leon, good coverage mula sa likod. Castillo passes. Lerma Tubog with a tip. Pancake save is short mula kay Dairo. So puntos na naman para sa Justice Servers.
What a nice control of the ball here coming from Lerma Tubog. She did run. So akala siguro ng DFA mapapalakas yung kanyang atake. But it was very soft.
More comfortable 6-point lead para sa Justice Servers. Pabalinas on a 1-2 play. Tubog inangat. Yuboko. Papalo Abarientos with the first touch. Dairo trying to go down the line. Good receive by Angeles. Olavere. There's Santa Maria mula sa likod. Angeles will hit. And Santa Maria hindi nakuha yung big.
Maganda yung mga set na binibigay dito ni Dada Yuboko for the Judiciary. Kaya they have time to be able to set the ball and attack it.
Justice Servers building their biggest lead right now. And it's at 8 points.
Miscommunication on the part of the DFA right there.
DFA will talk it over. Down by 8 points.
Di ba dapat dun si Alex, ikaw dito lagi sa gitna? Tapos pagka nga dumidepensa ka sa likod, huwag ka doon sa may 3 points, doon ka muna. Di ba na-set? O tama yung sinabi mo kanina kasi nasa dulo ka na. Bago i-set, dito ka muna. Pagka na-set, tsaka ka-atras sa may free throw line. O tsaka para mababasa mo yung flight ng bola. Hindi yung makikipagpalit ka. Hindi naman niya alam yung depensa sa gitna eh. Ba't ka makikipagpalit?
Since wala si Ma'am Jay.
Dahilan ka ba?
Gitna natin butas.
Si Coach Ralph was saying to the ladies, no, it's important na alam nila yung positions nila and roles nila inside the court at kailangan din hindi sila nabubutasan. It's always at the middle, no, na nabubutasan nga itong kupunan ng DFA.
Alright, one final stand para dito sa Emissaries. Down by 8 points, 21 serving 13. Pesebre in double digits already, 14. We mentioned naka 30 plus to.
Yes,
nung kanilang first round meeting.
Kanina in the first set alone, she contributed 6. Ngayon 8 naman siya.
Oo. Dairo with a nice tip. Angeles sasagot. And it's outside. Good job by Santa Maria. Pinabayaan yung bola just in case it was gonna be long.
Dejek and Dolorosa coming in for the Justice servers.
So may side out ang Emissaries dahil sa error on the attack by the Justice servers. Dairo magsaserve. Dairo with 1 point. Looking for her first ace sa laban na ito. 14 serving 21. 7-point game. It's gonna be outside. Third error para kay Jasmine Dairo. So back to an 8-point lead. Pero binalik ni Angeles yung puntos of a service error din.
Error after error para sa kupunan ng Judiciary and DFA. Halos kalahati pa rin dito yung hinahabol ng DFA.
Yuboko passes Bejek. First touch is outside. So both teams umi-score dahil sa errors lang to ng kapwa't isa.
Yes, and you don't want that coming from Bejek, no? She's a very talented player para sa kupunan ng Judiciary. In fact, on their last game, she contributed as much as 12 big points para sa kanilang kupunan.
And off the block by Olavere, pupuntos na yun. Nagparamdam na si Bejek. Finally, one of the 4 imports ng Justice servers. Mantala, may substitution dito as Honorable Mendoza Villapando will check in para sa Justice servers.
2 more points para dito sa Judiciary to be able to get the second set.
Yuboko with a strong serve. Too strong, in fact. Sinabunutan ni Dado yung sarili niya sa inis.
Aminado siya, napalakas masyado yung palo niya.
Eh gusto na rin kasi, gusto niya maka-ace.
Yes, oo.
Para makuha na nila yung second set. Bejek. Ganda ng pasok, but a nice dig from Dairo. Santa Maria, underhand pass. Nakalusot kay Honorable Mendoza Villapando yung bola.
Hindi niya naabangan doon sa kanyang likuran yung bola. No? A little step behind para makuha niya yung bolang yon.
That was a nice dig by Dairo. Ganda ng palo ni Bejek eh. I thought it was going to be a side out, a kill already. Bejek susubok ulit. This time tumalbog off the blockers. Olavere inangat. Yeah, nice hit. To send it across. For Tangayan. Dairo. Pabalinas this time to Santa Maria. Inangat ni Angeles. Boras. Dairo again with a dig. Santa Maria inangat. Gonna be a chance ball. Dolorosa with a good pass. Bejek tips. Pabalinas. Dairo again. Dairo gets a touch all the time. Pero yung dig. Dolorosa no good. Ganda ng palintan. Impressive defense para sa Emissaries, Rina, no?
This time around, mas maganda na kasi yung mas relax na rin yung kanilang kupunan. And mas nag-uusap-usap sila. Kaya nakaka-focus na sila dun sa mga gusto nilang atake.
Another good save by Pabalinas, pero yung third touch goes outside. But an impressive run para sa Emissaries. They were down by as many as 8 points. And naibaba nila yun. No? They were within 4 points. Pero ngayon, it is 5 set points para kay Bejek and the Justice Servers.
Mas marami na rin silang mga atake compared to the first. Kasi kanina parang 4 lang coming from Kat Magsumbol. But this time around, they have more.
Pabalinas. Back row Dairo. Yes! A set point save by Jasmine Dairo.
Ang DFA naman ngayon ang naghahanap ng butas para dito sa koponan ng judiciary.
Santa Maria looking for an ace. Oh, and that's going to be the winning point para sa Justice Servers. Judiciary getting a freebie after that service error para kay Santa Maria. Oh, Judiciary up 2-0. But if you're DFA, at least now, mas napababa nila yung kalamangan. No? After losing by 14, they only lost by 5 in set number 2, looking for a much closer set when we get to set number 3 right here inside the Paco Arena. Second set by 10 more minutes because mas maganda yung pinakitang depensa ng Emissaries and they also were more competitive. They lost by 14 in the first set but only by 5 points in the second set. And yung numbers will tell the story. Judiciary still more aggressive with a lot more attacks, so more than double the attacks. Both teams 0 blocks pero Judiciary yung kanilang service pinapahirapan pa nila ang Emissaries, really struggling with the receive. And yung Emissaries getting a few free points. That's an extra 5 points na nakuha nila dahil sa errors ng Justice Servers. So if you're the Emissaries, you're hoping more errors pa rin na makuha nila, more easy points from the Justice Servers. But kailangan din nilang umatake. They need their offense to get going. They've picked up a few points mula kay Dairo in set number 2. Tangayan also a lot more aggressive in set number 2. Si Kat Magsumbol has been carrying the load with 6 points but she needs help. Santa Maria will need to step up. Reyes will need to step up. Maybe they can get points from Olavere as well, along with a few others, para naman hindi ganun ka-predictable yung kanilang opensa. Set number 3 just about to get underway. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat na nanonood dito sa atin sa UNTV or sa UNTV News and Rescue channels on YouTube and Facebook. Ito, we're talking about free points. Naka-free point ka agad ang Emissaries. Service error para kay Lerma Tubog. Rina?
Too short yung kanyang naging service right there. Hindi na pumasok dun sa kabilang court.
Lerma Tubog struggling still. 5 points pero 5 errors din ang ipinamigay niya papunta sa DFA.
In
Boras.
fact, on their last game, no, si Lerma Tubog has no point also, no? On their last game against the DFA. Ang mga highest scorers lang nila that time was Pesebre, Bejek, and Boras.
Let's see kung Lerma Tubo can be a factor. She has 5 points pero that's negated nga basically because of the 5 errors na kinamit niya. Pabalinas to Dairo. That is going to be on the line. Dairo right on cue. And you like that if you're Coach Ralph Calasin, aggressive si Dairo to start set number 3.
That's nice. Very powerful yung kanyang swing of the arms, no? Bringing that ball diagonally.
So Alexandra Tangayan with 2 points. All from attacks. Serving. Very strong serve. Yuboko, papasa, Pesebre. And Tangayan with the pass. 1-2 play para kay Pabalinas. Yuboko passes. They go to Angeles. Dairo with a push. Good coverage sa likod para kay Castillo. Pabalinas to Dairo. Another good exchange para sa parehong koponan. Yuboko known for that. Yuboko very aggressive as a setter. 4th point para sa kanya yan.
This time around, it's still the gap as para di sa koponan ng DFA na nagiging challenge para sa kanilang koponan.
And si Yuboko, whether one hand, two hands, perfected niya yung move niya, ano? Kalkulado yung puntahang butas.
Sanay na rin si Dada kasi dito eh.
That's true. Her 2nd season already, one of the pioneers sa ating UNTV Volleyball League. Yuboko, Pesebre. What a dig coming from Reyes. Pasa, underhand, chance ball, Lerma Tubog. Here comes Pesebre, outside.
This time around, it came out too strong for Alarni Pesebre.
And si Coach Calasin, sinasabihan si Reyes, lakasan mo ng konti yung pasa para umabot kay Pabalinas so they can set a good play. Speaking of malakas, a very impressive serve talaga para kay Tangayan. And there's a better pass para kay Reyes. They get to Dairo. Castillo has been digging very well para sa Justice servers. Lerma Tubog, sinuntok yung bola. Pabalinas out to Dairo. Very aggressive. Talagang tinatarget niya yung libero.
Oo.
Pabalinas kinapos sa push. Oh, by the way, we failed to highlight. That was a 2-point lead. Or it is still a 2-point lead. Kanina 3 yun. Kalamangan nitong emissaries, their first lead of the match, and they're still on top by 2. This is the kind of start you want if you're Coach Ralph Calasin. Pagkatapos yung matalo the first 2 sets, Dairo.
It's gonna be a big motivation para dito sa koponan ng DFA, seeing themselves on top of the scores right now. And I hope that they will be able to continue this kind of energy para maganda itong kanilang magiging outcome dito sa ating 3rd set. No? So far naman, maganda yung pinapakita, especially with Dairo right there on the floor. Ayun lang ulit on that zone again, that middle gap again that they have to address.
Dada Yuboko. Kaya kung ikaw si Coach Ralph Calasin, medyo mainis ka na eh, no? Ano bang, palagi nahuhuli yung butas na yun eh.
Yun lang, yun lang eh, yung area yan, yung middle nila.
Galing, Dada Yuboko. 4th point of the game. And didikit na dito ang Justice servers, only down by 1. First time we're saying na naghahabol ang Justice servers. Oh, good job by Dairo. Keeping them on top. Lamang na uli sila ng dalawa after that side out.
Maganda yung jump attack dito ni Dairo, no?
4th point para kay Dairo. 5 serving 3. Pabalinas all the way out to Lerma Tubog. Yuboko to Pesebre. Cross court. Dairo inangat. Yun ang problema. Nagkaagawan. Si Reyes, pinabayaan niya na dapat yun para kay Pabalinas, the setter.
Kaya lang kasi walang nag-usap-usap siguro on their end, no? Kaya halos nagkasabay sila na sumalo dun sa bolang yun.
Sabi nga nila kung ikaw yung setter, dapat kukunin mo na, it's the 2nd touch, pwede mo itulak yung teammate mo.
Oo.
You have the right to do it because hindi na sila dapat pakialam, lalo na kung abot na abot mo. And dahil sa error, miscue na yun kanina, nagkasunod-sunod na, 2nd straight error sa passing para sa emissaries. And just like that, nawala na yung kalamangan nila. We're tied at 5.
Pesebre on the line right now.
Oh, what a lucky break. Pesebre served into the net, pero may rotation error para sa emissaries. So pupuntos pa rin ang Justice servers.
Swerte naman ng judiciary, kasi hindi na malaya ng DFA yung kanilang position, no? Kaya nakascore dito ang judiciary.
Tinagal ko nag-cover, ngayon ako nakakita na nag-net na pero nakapuntos pa on the serve. Olavere. Vergel inangat. Lamang na po ang Justice servers by 1. Reyes with a good dig. Dairo mula sa back row. Yuboko passes. Dermatubog. Barrientos. Oh, Reyes napaupo before getting the dig. And Pabalinas hindi na itawid ang bola. Sunod-sunod na errors right now para dito sa emissaries. And lalamang na ng dalawa ang Justice servers after trailing by 3.
Nakatalikod din kasi si Pabalinas sa net that time. So when she hit the ball, hindi niya talaga makikita kung papasok itong bolang to.
Nakunot na ang noon ni Coach Calasin. Oh, another reception error. Dairo keeping it up. Kinawit ni Reyes. But a chance to attack here. Tubog. Dairo passes. Pabalinas. They can set it up here. Dairo looking for a side out. Inangat ni Pesebre. Angeles. Dairo again. Good digging para dito sa Justice servers. Pabalinas. This time we go to Olavere. Pesebre inangat. Dermatubog. Barrientos with the pass. Reyes, kinawid ang bola underhand.
Good rally right here.
And kinapos na doon, the pass. Nobody by the net for the second touch para sa Justice servers. Doon matatapos ang kanilang run.
And Lerma was saying it's my fault because she was not in position that time around. So walang sumalo ng bola for the Justice servers.
Pero right now, Kat Magsumbol, the top scorer para sa emissaries back in the game. So sila ni Dairo will combine to try and retake the lead mula sa Justice servers. Dermatubog. All right, here we go. Magsumbol, first touch, the push. Quick reflexes para kay Yuboko to keep it alive. De Leon passes. Magsumbol will get another touch. Cross court, got it. The game is tied. 7-all.
It looks like the DFA is really attacking the libero of the judiciary. Kanina yung mga atake ni Dairo is going to the libero. Even yung mga atake ni Magsumbol right now, it's going to that direction also.
Let's see kung gagawa ng run ang emissaries. Not a good first ball there. So Yuboko, this is going to be just an easy pass. Pabalinas, Olavere mula sa likod. Inangat ni Vergel. Yuboko to Tubog. Off the block ni Olavere, and that hole again sa gitna ng depensa ng emissaries has been their weakness. Puntahan natin itong report ni Ira Pablo.
Aleli Boras from the judiciary is one of the players that did not pursue their volleyball passions when they were in college. Para ang hirap daw sa kanya maging varsity during that time, and she was very intimidated at the idea of playing volleyball during her collegiate years. Kaya nag-focus na lang daw siya sa kanyang pag-aaral. Nagtapos siya ng finance sa Philippine School of Business Administration. She is already serving 11 years para dito sa judiciary, at hindi daw niya akalain na ngayon pa daw niya mapupursue yung kanyang passion for volleyball now that she is a mom and of course an employee for the judiciary as well. And that was all possible because of the UVL. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. Galing palang pasba.
Oo nga eh.
Si Aleli Boras.
Parang na-mention mo before na if it's for you, it's really for you.
Para
The
sa'yo.
universe will really bring you here. Bring you back to, di ba, to where your heart loves it
Parang
most.
destiny.
Oo.
8-all. Nice block by Magsumbol, pero it goes outside. So pupunto si Bejek.
Nice effort from Kat Magsumbol right there to be able to block and save that ball, but it just went out.
Dada Yuboko. And the Justice servers right now facing stiffer competition mula sa emissaries. Yuboko underhand pass. Bejek with a push. Nice play para kay Bejek.
Bejek this time around came out very slow and soft with that attack.
Tsaka tinarget niya talaga yung mga yung hole na yun sa harap. Kasi si Tangayan, alam niya, aatake yan. Umaatras niya si Tangayan eh. So dun niya dinala. Yeah, it's gonna be a service ace para kay Yuboko.
Not so good reception for the DFA.
This is a 3-point run para sa Justice servers dahil naging tied tayo at 8. And now it's a 3-point lead for Judiciary. Better pass para kay Magsumbol. Pabalinas back to Kat Magsumbol. Inangat ni Vergel. Bejek. Got it.
Another lapse on the part of the DFA, especially on the middle area.
5 para kay Bejek. And ta-timeout si Coach Kalasin.
Puntos nyo na eh. Puntos nyo na, kaso binibigay nyo pa. Diba? 2 puntos na naman yung ibinigay nyo. Napuntos nyo na, binigay nyo pa. Jane, tingnan mo naman yung flight ng bola. Apakataas, ihahabulin mo. Pabibitawan mo na lang yun, oh. Tingnan mo, pagka mataas na sa kamay mo, kasi nasa likod ka, edi outside na yun. Huwag mo nang pilitin habulin. Sinicheck, inahabol mo, hindi mo naman marireceive ng ayos. Receive mo na kayo, Jane, tapos Kat, tapos dito si Dairo. Maximize nyo yung spacing nyo sa court. Kayo, dahil kayo 3 re-receive, di ba? O pagka short ball, andun si Alex, andun si Cheng. Receive lang, pag receive kayo, makaka-atake kayo. Bawi.
Sinabi ni Coach Ralph kanina, no, yung decision making of the team, kapag alam nilang mataas na yung bola and it's really going outside, huwag nila lang saluhin because it's not gonna be savable para sa kanilang kupunan. Mahihirapan lang sila na maipasok din yung bolang yun.
And right now, ayaw na nilang humiwalay pa dito ang Justice servers. Right now, up by 4. Papasok si Santa Maria for Dairo. Santa Maria with only 1 point so far in the game. Let's see if yung combo nila ni Magsumbol can be more aggressive para sa emissaries. Magsumbol. Vergel again with a nice dig mula sa likod. Boras. Inangat ni De Leon. Papalinas. Back to Kat Magsumbol with the left hand.
Nice left hand attack coming from Kat Magsumbol right there para dito sa DFA. Now Abarientos on the service line. Si Abarientos na laging kasama yung kanyang pamilya when they're in the games. Talaga laging niyang kasama yung kanyang mga babies, no? Super supportive nung kanyang mga anak. Even the in-laws, yung asawa niya is here also.
Mantala Bejek will score at magpapahinga muna si Joanna Bejek, and Lerma Tubog is back in the game. 4-point lead para kila Tubog and the Justice servers. 13 serving 9. Overpass and an easy point para kay Pesebre.
Nobody moved there on the side of the DFA.
Santa Maria with a better pass. Pabalinas. Napunta sa likod ni Magsumbol. Pero Magsumbol with an easy over, and Angeles pinabayaan yung bola thinking it was outside. Take another look.
Napalakas yung bola dito ni Magsumbol, no?
Oo, pero saktong-sakto sa likod ni Angeles which was still inside. So still a 4-point game, side out after just a 1-point scored ng Justice servers. De Leon with a nice dig. Yuboko, pinasa kay Pesebre. Back to Yuboko. De Leon again. Pabalinas, easy over on the second touch. Boras. Pinangat ni Abarientos. Pabalinas, back row. Magsumbol with a push. Castillo, kinuha. Boras again, sending it outside.
This time around, better call for the DFA. Katulad ng sinabi ni Coach Ralph kanina, when you know it's outside, don't pick up the ball. Magsumbol the highest scorer para sa kupunan ng DFA right now with 9 attack points, no? In total.
Pesebre with the push. 2-point run para sa emissaries. Let's see kung makakuha pa sila ng pangatlo. Pesebre, atake. Abarientos with a dig. Pabalinas, easy over. Yuboko to Boras. Inangat ni Magsumbol. Tangayan, another easy over. Hindi maka-atake dito ang emissaries. 1-2 play again, and Yuboko. That's gonna be point number 6.
Another one on that area, no? Na nakuha ng Judiciary Justice servers.
So doon na putol ang 2-point run ng emissaries. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Justice servers. Boras with 4 points. Santa Maria finally gets her second point of the game.
Nice diagonal attack by Santa Maria right there.
Maureen Joanne Santa Maria, one of the 4 imports, kasama si Reyes, Magsumbol, and Dairo para sa DFA. Tangayan with a heavy hand. Short pass. With a little help from the net, pero good dig para kay Santa Maria. Pesebre, that did not go across the net. So eto na naman ang emissaries, 2 straight points. And dalawa na lang hinahabol nila dito.
Ang ganda nung timing ni Olavere, no, to drop the ball.
Another good serve. And another short pass. Para kay Castillo, easy over, chance to attack para sa emissaries. Here comes Santa Maria. Cross court. Inangat ni Angeles. Now Pesebre, watch out. Barrientos with a dig. Back row, Magsumbol. Got it! 3 straight points scored by the emissaries.
This time around, a good attempt on the attack of the DFA.
Panoorin ulit natin. Great top spin. Kita mo yung bola, oh. Coming down before Castillo could get it. 1 point lead na lang para sa Justice Servers. Sa tawag ng timeout, si Coach Dino will listen in.
Kasi yung kinakabing mo pa, nakabukan naman yung block. Nakabukan yung block. So pag angat ng bola, di mo kagad. Tapos kung ihuhulog mo, di mo lang di sa likod ng ano. Hindi mo sa kamay ng block, dikdik mo ganun. Ha? O 1 puntos yan. Kapit tayo ulit na receiving.
Sige.
Bagan tayo ng bola, bagalan ng bola.
Go lang, guys!
Justice!
Server!
Bibitawan yan.
Let's go pa!
Alright, both teams with 1 timeout remaining. Nabahala ng kaunti si Coach Arnaldo Dino. Ito yung tail end naman ng timeout ni Coach Ralph Calasin. They're on a big run. They've scored 3 straight points to trim a 4-point deficit. At isa na lang ang hinahabol nila dito. Larny Pesebre looking a bit concerned dahil first 2 sets, very comfortable ang kanilang win. Most comfortable ay syempre first set, they won by 14 points. Second set, 5 ang kanilang kalamangan kontra kila Tangayan, pero ang ganda kasi nung serve ni Tangayan eh. Kaya hindi maka-atake ang Justice Servers because may iiksi yung pasa.
At magaganda na rin kasi yung mga chances for the DFA to also be able to attack here.
That's right.
Oo. Maganda yung mga first ball din nila.
Oh, good save by Pabalinas. Ito si Vergel, better pass. Angeles. Pabalinas. Tinawag si Santa Maria. Wait a minute, tatawagan yata ng double contact. Yeah, double contact kay Pabalinas. And kini-question ni Coach Calasin yung call ni Ryan Vincent Corpus, pero hindi. Obviously, that will stick. So, titigil sa 3 straight points yung run ng emissaries. Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan ni Vergel and the Justice Servers. Puntahan natin si Ira Pablo.
Ang ganda rin talaga ng kwento nitong si Dada Yuboco dahil nag-aral daw siya sa Trinity University at nakapagtapos siya sa kursong education at dahil daw yan sa volleyball, inoferan siya ng full scholarship. Kaya ang laking tulong daw para sa kanya dahil sa volleyball ay nakapagtapos siya ng kanyang kolehiyo. Ngayon naman dito sa UVL, naging import siya ng judiciary at inengganyo siya ng kanyang mga teammates na pumasok dito sa judiciary at maging government employee. So dahil sa volleyball, nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral itong si Dada at syempre nagkaroon din ng magandang trabaho. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Ira. 2-point run. Make that a 3-point run para sa Justice Servers at namaga na naman yung kanilang kalamangan. Back to 4.
Back-to-back errors para sa koponan ng DFA emissaries.
Tatawag ng kanyang huling timeout dito si Coach Calasin after that point by Pesebre.
Nandito na tayo sa gitna eh. Sa gitna kayo lagi bumibitaw. Ganun na naman ulit yung nangyari. Ba't sumasagad ka kasi, Mau? Alam mo naman na ano yung receive eh. Diba? Off-timing man yung gitna. Sumagad ka na naman dito. Receive lang muna kayo. Receive lang, receive. Hindi naman mabigat yung service. Underhand na naman, dun pa kayo napapatay. Diba? Pag-isipan nyo ng maigi yung ganitong sitwasyon. Kasi kayo yung maglalaro eh. Kayo yung naglalaro eh. Kaso, walang mabigat sa ano. Kayo lang yan.
Kapit tayo!
It all boils down dun sa players ng DFA emissaries, no? If they will be able to play smarter here dito sa ating set na ito. They needed a set if they want to extend this match, no? So, laging pinupoint out talaga ni Coach Ralph yung kanilang buta, especially dun sa kanilang gitna na talagang hindi nila nahahabol lagi yung bola doon. Wala sila sa timing sa pagkuha ng bola.
At sabi niya nga, no, dito kayo bumibitaw, nasa gitna na tayo. They were within 1 at 13-14. Pero iniwanan na naman sila dito. Tinakbuhan sila ng Justice Servers, but they're looking for a side out here. Let's see if they can get a stop. No! De Leon, pinabayaan yung bola. Pasok na pasok yun. Huge hole. Nalipat yung butas doon naman sa kanto, Rina.
Oo, kasi nakita niya agad na nobody was there, no? Kaya doon niya dinala yung bola niya diagonally, just near the line also for the DFA.
Biggest lead para sa Justice Servers, 5 points, 19 serving 14. A short serve. Oh, Pabalinas, kinapos sa tip across the net at 6 na tong kalamangan ng Justice Servers.
Ganda na sana nung gusto ni Pabalinas na mangyari doon. Kaya lang kulang lang doon sa kanyang jump at timing.
Coach Calasin, wala ng timeout. And down 2 sets. Dairo, outside. And right now, it is looking like itong emissaries will sustain their 9th loss ng Season 2. Mitch Alcancia seeing action for the first time along with Resio at si Yabut. So everybody pinasok na ni Coach Dino.
Masyado nang malaki dito yung kalamangan ng judiciary, no? And hopefully the DFA matauhan sila for them na humabol talaga dito sa scores natin.
Dairo, yes! There's the side out.
This time around, she was able to control that ball, unlike kanina na sobrang napalakas yung kanyang atake.
That's gonna be the 5th point para kay Jasmine Dairo. Let's remember, nung kanilang first meeting sa first round, nanalo ng isang set ang DFA, pero Pesebre with her 19th point, mukhang hindi napapayagang makakuha ng makasungkit ng isang set itong emissaries today.
Oo nga, when you have Pesebre right there for the judiciary, mukhang magiging sunod-sunod na yung mga aggressiveness na ipapakita dito ng judiciary, no?
Mitch Alcancia inangat. They go to Yabut. Yabut sends it into the net. Another point para sa DFA. Pero kung ikaw ang emissaries, hindi sila pwede makipagpalitan ng puntos dito because 3 na lang kailangan ng judiciary to win the match. Alcancia, Lerma Tubog. Yes!
Unwanted errors on the part of the DFA right now. Jenny Yabut, the sister of yung player natin sa executives face-off naman natin.
Ay, oo.
Si Joey Yabut ng judiciary.
Very athletic family, no? Magsumbol. Overpass, and Kat Magsumbol gets the point. In double digits na si Kat Magsumbol, former FEU standout. 11 points.
Nauna magsumbol yung jump ni Lerma Tubog eh.
Olavere serves wide. Alam mo na pag sigaw pala ni Olavere.
Alam mo nang ma-outside yung bola. Siya mismo alam niya na yung angle niya sa tingin niya hindi na papasok. But we are at the set point here for the judiciary.
This is 24-17. 7 match points para sa Justice Servers to win in straight sets. Boras overpassed. Pagkakataon umatake ulit for the Justice Servers. Alcancia and Lerma Tubog. Nice dig para kay Abarientos. That's gonna be double contact para kay Tubog. So 1 match point save para sa emissaries. Alcancia inangat. Boras. Tyro with the dig. Magsumbol. Got it? No! Nice dig para kay Alcancia. Atake muna sa likod si Pesebre. Overpass. Tyro. Overhead toss naman. Alcancia to Boras. Back-to-back puntos pinamigay ng Justice Servers.
Second time for Aleli Boras.
Pero malaki pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Justice Servers. They don't look worried just yet. They still have 5 match points. De Leon, yes! Great job defensively. And again, De Leon with the dig. Abarientos, itatawid ang bola. Pesebre, Alcancia, Boras. Looking for that finish and she got it.
An excellent win here coming from the Judiciary Justice Servers, ending this match in 3 straight sets. They played more as a team here, although maganda rin naman yung pinakita dito ng DFA kasi set by set talagang nag-i-improve yung kanilang kupunan dito. You also have to commend the effort here, especially of Kat Magsumbol para sa DFA. Sa Judiciary naman, we have, of course, Alarni Pesebre na talagang napalakay ng puntons ito. Siya lang yung nag-double digits para sa kanilang kupunan. You also have the help there of their wise and good setter here, si Yoboko, and one of their good attackers also here, si Bejek, na maganda rin yung ginawa dito, and also their Matubol.